A basic evening skincare routine looks very similar to the basic morning routine, with the exception of changing up the moisturizer. Now, it's important to note that if you do wear makeup during the day, you need to remove it before you use the cleanser. Unfortunately, if you don't remove your makeup before you use a cleanser, the cleanser isn't doing what it was created to do. To recap, the 3-in-1 cleanser is meant to cleanse the skin, hydrate, as well as tone all in one step. After cleansing for 30 seconds or so, rinse well and pat dry. The next step is going to be climate control. This is a flagship Senegence skincare product loved by many. A quick tip for you guys to help you stretch the product out over the 5 days is to cut the packages open and use your finger to scrape out every last bit of product. Climate Control is really such a wonderful product because it has 2 really amazing ingredients that help increase moisture and protect against moisture loss. Lip Smooth will be in your sample pack in the form of a little blue packet. Take the smallest little bit, rub it on your lips. This has spherical exfoliators in it, which is gentler than the resurfacer for your sensitive lip tissue. Then just take a washcloth and wipe it off. Follow it up with our moisturizing lip balm. We finish off our skincare routine with the evening moisturizer in whichever formula you received. Again, a pea to dime size amount is plenty. Evening and daytime moisturizers differ in that evening ones don't provide sun protection. Instead, they tend to be a little more luxurious with those skin-loving ingredients to really take advantage of the time that our body takes to rejuvenate while we sleep. Just as I do in the morning, I like to add eye cream in the evening as well. It really helps with the puffiness that you wake up with in the morning. That's it. Our PM routine is complete.